Hey there everyone, Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I want to talk about a construction mistake. Now this construction mistake led to critters. So let me show you the mistake. Now right here we have a cedar shake siding and we have an asphalt roof. This is the original roof of the structure. That is an addition. Right here's where it ties in. Now from here, it looks super fantastic. But if you look really close there, there's a little like dusty material on the roof. That dusty material is some cellulose insulation. And if you look at that cream colored or tan or whatever color flashing, it's dirty because there's a squirrel entrance there. These squirrels did not chew a hole. They didn't pull anything apart. What happened was, when the addition was tied in right in that corner, a hole was left behind that rafter. I'm going to try to stick the camera in there so you can see, but it's dark and we may not be able to see it. How I found it is I crawled up the roof and I laid on the roof and I stuck my hand up in there and I felt the hole. So I've never seen the hole, but I felt it. And it should be right straight ahead. There should be a hole there. Now in order to fix this, I have to box this rafter in. So I'm going to box this rafter in with a piece of plywood and some aluminum trim, and that will solve the squirrel issue. Update on closing up the hole. I boxed it all in. No more squirrel entry point. This was the easiest and simplest way to do it. There's a piece of plywood and then I put some flashing over it. I did dark flashing so that from the ground it's invisible. Up here you can see it, but once you get down 20-25 feet to the ground, you won't be able to see that brown flashing in the shadow, and it looked like I was never here, and that's my goal. So this is a case where an addition was put on. The work done is actually very good, just they missed that one little spot. And you know what? Mistakes happen. And if you have mistakes in your construction, the critters will find it. Thank you.